Hi, my name is Norman. Today, I want to try to increase my account 3 to 4 times using a strategy that I have been confident in for a long time. It gives such clear and stable signals that it is much easier and safer to trade with it. In the video, you'll see how I choose the moment of entry, which confirmations I consider mandatory, and why this strategy works so well even on difficult days. Thanks for subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Let's get started. First of all, let's get the tools ready for work. I put classic candlesticks. The time frame is 10 seconds. Go to the Indicators tab and select Ichimoku and Parabolic SAR. Setting up Ichimoku. Tenkan Sen, we put 10. Kijun Sen 20. Senku, Span B, 50. Switching to the style. Disconnect the lower 3 lines. Tenkan Sen, turquoise color, width 2. At Kijun Sen, we change the width by 2. Saving. Setting up the parabolic SAR. Acceleration is set to 0.025. Maximum acceleration 0.25. Switching to the style. The main line is turquoise in color, width 2. Saving. The indicators are ready to work. Friend, if you have any questions after watching the video, then be sure to write to me in private messages in the Telegram, and I will be happy to help you. I open the trading day with a clearly visible entry on the chart. Expiration is 1 minute. I open a trade to buy $500. Now I will explain in detail how to work with this strategy and why it gives such clear signals. Look, everything is really simple and clear. The first landmark is Ichimoku. At the moment when the turquoise line crosses the red line from bottom to top, the market gives a strong initial signal about the beginning of an upward movement. Such an intersection indicates that buyers are beginning to seize the initiative, and the previous downward momentum has weakened. The dynamics become softer, the candlesticks align, and the movement begins to gradually shift upward. Now we turn to confirmation. It is provided by parabolic SAR. The appearance of dots under the candles shows that the momentum is indeed developing towards growth. This indicator is always one of the first to react to a trend change, and its points under the price serve as a direct confirmation that the upward movement is forming confidently and consistently. When Ichimoku indicates an upward reversal, and the parabolic SAR confirms the direction with its points, the picture becomes as clear as possible. The trend is unfolding, buyers are gaining strength, and the upward movement is developing logically and steadily. The start is going well. I'm fixing a $460 profit and continuing to monitor the market. If you want to see the market the same way I see it, just get into Telegram. There's live work, daily debriefings, copy trading, bot analysis, and closed-end strategies. Admission is free, but access will not be open for long. The set is small. If you want to join and be on the move, write right now. After a short period of time, the next opportunity is formed. Expiration is 1 minute. I open a trade for sale at $740. After a local rise, the price hits a noticeable resistance and immediately begins to move down. The market reacts gently, without sharp dips. The movement develops carefully and consistently. Candles are formed smoothly. Their bodies line up in a smooth descending line, and the entire structure looks calm and easy to read. Such a transition from an upswing to a decline looks natural. The upward momentum has weakened, the resistance has worked out, and now the downward movement is developing logically and predictably, without unnecessary volatility. The result is positive again. Another $680 profit. I'm moving on. The chart shows a new upward momentum. With an expiration of 1 minute, I open a trade to buy for $850. After a short break, the market comes to life again and begins to strengthen the upward movement. Candlesticks noticeably stretch upward. Their bodies become denser and more confident, and the dynamics become more active. It is clear that buyers are taking the initiative again. The price rises without jerks, smoothly, but with a noticeable increase in pressure. The chart structure looks neat and well organized. The movement develops sequentially, the rhythm is even, and the upward momentum is forming more clearly. And the most important thing is that both indicators simultaneously indicate growth. Such a coincidence of signals makes the situation as clear as possible, and increases confidence that the upward movement will continue further. The result is impressive, plus $782 of profit. I continue the series. The final opportunity of the session appears on a clear downward turn. The timer is 1 minute. I open a trade for sale at $1,770. The price clearly starts from the resistance level and immediately goes into a steady decline. The movement is formed smoothly. Candlesticks pull the chart down smoothly, without unnecessary fluctuations, and the structure looks neat and completely predictable. Such a confident development of a downward momentum is indeed an ideal scenario, because the market is showing a clear direction without noise and attempts at a pullback. The momentum itself looks powerful and consistent. Selling pressure is felt immediately. The chart moves down confidently and steadily, and each new candle logically continues the overall trend. In such a situation, I have maximum confidence in the result. The market is forming an excellent downtrend, and everything indicates that this trade will bring profit. I finish the day strongly. I record $1,628 of profit. The balance rises to $4,150. Let's summarize the results. My balance increased from $599 to $4,150. Great result. If you have any questions about the methodology itself or would like to understand more deeply, do not hesitate to write to me in Telegram. I'll be happy to help. Thank you so much for watching, for liking, and for subscribing to the channel. See you soon and have a successful trade.